Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, we're doing more of Will It Fly? Connecting objects to our drone. We do not recommend that you do this at home. However, we have a couple extra of these drones, so we don't mind if one of them breaks. We hope it doesn't. So far so good though. We've flown several things. Check out the, if you subscribe to the channel, check out Drones Will It Fly, and you can check out all these different videos that we are doing here. So we've got about a 2 foot by 1 foot piece of Christmas wrapping paper here, and I have my two experts next to me, and our 8-year-old expert says yes, it's gonna fly and hopefully it'll do a flip, and our second expert says kind of the same thing. I'm thinking it'll definitely fly. I just wonder how that paper is gonna do as the propellers are creating that wind. But will it do a flip? Boy, that's the tough one. I'm gonna say yes, it will do the flip and we'll be able to successfully flip it. But boy, that's kind of a tough one. All right, I'm really excited. All right, let's get it up and going. So I'll go ahead and turn it on for us. By the way, if you are just learning how to do your drone, we have some other videos up as well. And I think we're gonna do a playlist on that one called the Sky Phantom. And you can see how to fly this guy as far as the basics go. And then of course this series right here, which is going to be Will It Fly, and we'll have some fun trying to get different objects to fly up in the air. All right, with no further ado, are we ready to go?
Yes.
Let's do it. Will it fly? Oh, up, going. Oh man, it's definitely swishing and swaying in the wind.
The propellers are pushing downwind, so it's on the paper, so the paper's reflecting the wind. So it's hard to control this thing, and it makes me go faster. So I'm not quite used to this.
So it's kind of hard to control it. Wow, yeah, you're definitely bouncing around more than normal. Is there any chance you can try a flip?
I can try. It's gonna be hard to get it in a secure area.
All right, get a good spot.
Oh.
Whoa, man, our drone went crashing hard. Holy macanoli, that was a tough one. All right, hey, what a lot of fun. So yes, it did fly in the air. No, this did not flip, at least. Well, it couldn't flip and stay in the air. Very cool. Hey friends, we hope you appreciate this channel. If you do, give us that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.